Joe, you look like a rotisserie chicken, man. Joe, somebody you want to lay on the couch? Huh? Can you make it over there by yourself? Or you good right there? You need a pillow? What's up? What you need? Let me know, man. Dude, why you do this shit to yourself all the time? Then you mad at me because I got all these videos. No, you get the film, I get the fuck with
No. No.
it. No, no. Go look in the kitchen. Babe, you might change your mind after you look in the kitchen.
Motherfucker! Boy.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go. Here we go, my ass. Then why in the hell you always fucking up the damn place every time you get fucked
Joe,
up?
smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. You already stuck on stupid nigga.
Oh, man.
Man,
Man, you better go clean up the goddamn kitchen, dude.
I even eat.
Dude, you ain't been eating. Go look in there. Even you know when you've been eating. I'm gonna shut the camera off.